Yeah, because S013 has more advanced feature like you can adjust more. If you want to have car seat in the future, you can adjust it. Hey guys, another day of unboxing. So we are going to unbox Moza R9 steering wheel and pedal. So let's get started. So there are 3 packages coming today. The first one is steering wheel, the second one is pedal, and another one is wheel base. It comes with bundle package and it costs about 819 US dollar. It took almost a month to deliver to my place due to the shipping was from Hong Kong. But don't worry, they use reliable shipping company.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is the first one. Yay! Moza FSR Formula Wheel. Wow. Sticker.
The sticker for the buttons. Oh my god, they put the silk into it.
The packaging is excellently designed, complete with a protective cloth cover for the steering wheel. Wow. There you go. It has customized quick release so you can store it somewhere when you don't play. It also has leather grips to have a classy taste when you drive. The Moza R9 typically has a compact and ergonomic design, making it suitable for various racing styles and comfortable for long gaming sessions. For the complexity, especially for beginners, this might be kinda overwhelming because of the buttons and customization options. But after few days or months, you will get used to it.
Overtake button, DRS button, balance, differential, the control for the stick. Not really sure what the K meant, not sure what the T meant, but
See on the back. Wow. Very nice design. The button itself can be adjusted again in the game settings. So overall it has gear shifters located at the back of the wheel for changing gears, D-pad or directional pad for menu navigation or in-game adjustment like camera angles. Action buttons, standard in gaming, used for various in-game action like selecting, entering, or specific car function. Rotary encoders, useful for adjusting settings such as brake bias or traction control. Mode switches, to switch between different profiles or settings depending on the game or car being used. These pedals are generally made from high-grade materials for durability and to emulate the sensation of real car pedals. So it comes with hub kit and we can connect it with brake and clutch.
there's some brake, load cell. You put it here. We don't have a clutch, so we just let it go.
For the customization itself, these pedals are designed to integrate seamlessly with the Moza R9 steering wheel and are compatible with the same gaming system and sim racing titles. And again, we need to adjust it with the next level racing wheel stand. If you haven't watched the previous video, feel free to check it in the description below or above. The last one is wheelbase. This wheelbase is made of aviation-grade aluminum alloy and it has smart temperature control system. It can monitor the temperature of the motor. Because you know when you are playing F1 game or any car racing simulator, it will take longer than expected. So this kind of feature or temperature control system perfect for this situation. So what do you think about this Moza R9 bundle package? Do you think it's worth the price? Feel free to comment, and if you have any idea of what item in the future you want me to review, feel free to let me know, and don't forget to share, subscribe and like this video. See you!